Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So, are you tired of manually deploying applications to the Kubernetes? What if I told you there is a tool that automates deployments and ensures your apps are always in sync with your GitHub repository? So let's talk about ArgoCD. You have been hearing about ArgoCD on LinkedIn's, like the companies are looking for the ArgoCD developers. Like, what is ArgoCD? Like, they have been so much into the right now into the market, there's suddenly demand for the ArgoCD. So what is it's the ArgoCD is all about? So in this video, we are going to talk talk about ArgoCD. Why is it, how has it been used in the Kubernetes? What is it actually? Okay, so let me talk about what is Argo CD. Basically, Argo CD is generally a continuous delivery tool for the Kubernetes part, as you have heard about CI/CD. Okay, so here the role comes out of the CD. Like CI is continuous integration, but here we are going to look into this for the this is a tool of a continuous delivery. Delivery means like you have heard about you want to deliver from one package from another state to another state or one country to another country. Anywhere you are just delivering the packages. So same here, we have a continuous delivery like that particular person or that particular tool knows where to deliver the package and it will deliver as there is a automatic change into the particular GitHub code. So what is do? It generally automates the deployments of applications to your Kubernetes cluster by ensuring that the actual state of your applications like matches the desired state defined in your GitHub repository. As you do the commit, it will automatically build. Okay, it's a building, it get done, it get tested. You don't need to go manually and you don't need to edit the deployments. Like we have deployment, we have multiple build numbers. Okay, so we don't need to go and edit those particular build numbers. So by ignoring all this thing we can set up with this Argo CD where you just everything will be automated part. So if I talk about some key features of this particular Argo CD, so first of all that major key feature is that is automated deployments. Okay, you don't need to go manually to change the build number. There will be everything will be here, everything will be automated. So ArgoCD like continuously monitor your Git repository and automatically applies changes to your Kubernetes cluster. More for this, you will be better understanding the practical. We will be seeing the practical into the upcoming videos, like how to install the Helm or how to install Argo CD with the help of Kubernetes with the help of Helm. Now we are just understanding the flow, how it work. Then second thing is GitOps workflow. Okay, what is GitOps workflow? Actually, it uses a Git as a single source of truth for your application configuration. You just need to push your code and onto the Git, and from there it will automatically fetch the code and it will build and it will deploy the things. And third thing that is the key feature is like it's user-friendly UI. Like it's quite simply and it's quite too much simple. Okay, you can anywhere anyone can just use this particular UI. We have CLIs also, okay, a command line tool. So Argo CD provides both web UI also and command line interface for the managing this particular part. And fourth, that is self-healing. What does this self-healing means? Okay, so self-healing is someone manually changes something in the cluster. ArgoDB will be automatically revert it to the matches the state that is defined into the GitHub. What generally happens, we have a deployment file, we have a service file. So we manually apply into the Kubernetes cluster and it's manually then go to the things. So we don't need to do this all this thing manually. We just need to push those deployment file or service file to the GitHub repository and from there it will be start fetching your data from the uh, GitHub. The Argo CD will fetch the data from the GitHub and we just need to define there are certain things. We have to find projects, folders from there, and it will make everything automated for you. Okay, so now the thing is come is like we have seen what is Argo CD, features of Argo CD, but why Argo CD? This is the one of the major questions like which might comes around your mind. Why we need this Argo CD part? Okay, so in this modern DevOps and Kubernetes workflow, managing deployments manually can be a error prone or time consuming. So Argo CD is generally simplifying this process by automating deployments, like ensuring consistency and enabling teams to adopt the GitOps practices. Okay, now if I talk about like a little bit about more core concepts, like we have applications, we have sync status, we have projects. So in this we have to go deep down. Once we start with the practical knowledge, I will be explaining you through the UI part what all those things we needed in this. And if I talk, as I've talk about features also. Okay, and let me just give you overview for the use cases and the best practices where we can use this Argo CD. For if you are using continuous delivery plans like for the automating deployment from the GitHub to the Kubernetes, so ensuring that applications are always up to date. Okay. Second, we have if you have multi-environment management, so manage multiple environments like dev, staging, prod using a single Argo CD. You can just manage multi-environments. Okay. Third, that is disaster recovery. You can quickly restore your application using the Git repository as a source of the truth. And if I talk about some best practices for using Argo CD, so you can use the app of F patterns, then enabling RBCA, then managing security safely. So these are things are all about little bit overview of the Argo CD, how we are been using. I will be try to make over the things for simpler for you. Like suppose, let me just show you with a quick diagram. Like we understand about the CI/CD pipeline. So what is happening? A developer is pushing to the code, and this been getting built for us. But what this is the CD part, okay, continuous delivery and the continuous deployment part. We have to manually check or we have to manually change the thing, but we don't need to this and we don't need to manually change or manually deploy. Everything will be managed. All these things will be managed by this. All the things will be managed by Argo CD. The circle things been all the things will be managed by Argo CD. How this will manage, how the things will or we will be automating all this thing. We are going to learn into the upcoming videos from setting up the thing to delivering the things from the scratch from the zero. So all right guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe, and if you are new to the channel, please like my video, and if you have any quick query, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.